I love using layering stencils when card making. They create so many opportunities for different textures, different pastes, whether you just use regular ink or add texture paste or sprays. In this video, I'm comparing the Hydrangea stencil from Craftreat with the Garden Roses stencil from Pinkfresh Studios. The Craftreat ones, all the layers come on one stencil, so you need to make sure you mask off each area that you don't want on there before you start applying your ink or your paste or your spray. Nothing more frustrating than getting ink in an area you don't want it to go while you're creating. It's easy enough to do, but you do want to do it, and I just do it with painter's tape. Now, the Pinkfresh Studios stencil, layering stencil, has several different stencils, and each layer has its own stencil. So you don't need to mask off anything, but you do want to make sure to secure it in place so that it's not going to move around on you while you're creating. This stencil is also a good one for adding different sprays or pastes. Sometimes I will add a shimmer spray to a layer, and sometimes I'll add a glitter paste just to add some sparkle and shimmer. Either way, you get a great image from both of them. They make great images for card fronts, and I recommend both of them. They do the same thing, but just in a different way.